Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Cheryl with iSTYLEMYSTYLE, and today I am showing you my modern Christmas tablescape. So I showed you guys a few weeks ago my Winter Wonderland Christmas tablescape, and it was all white because of course it's a Winter Wonderland, but I thought I needed to add a pop of color to the table. You guys know I love black and white. They are my signature colors, so of course I had to include a black and white tablescape and also throw in my pop of color, which you guys know I like to use green, and I found these cute little Christmas trees on the Target website. I think they're from what is their Winter Wonderland collection? I think that's the name. Let's see if it says on, oops, doesn't say, but they light up. And I absolutely love the green on these trees. It is the perfect color, absolutely beautiful. And I also paired it with these cute candles that I picked up from Joann's. I love them. They were normally $29.99 for this little candle. You know, Joann's is always so overpriced, so never buy anything until it goes on clearance. And I picked up this candle for $9.99, and guys, I wish you could smell it. It smells so good. If I had smell-o-vision, I would certainly let you smell the scent. So if you are interested in having candle ornaments, then run to Joann's and pick them up because they are oh so pretty. The rest of the tablescape is items that I already had, and they were on the original tablescape. Everything on this table was actually purchased on sale at a very deep discounted clearance price, or I purchased it for a very inexpensive price from Amazon, and a lot of things I picked up from Goodwill. So I showed you guys this Winter Wonderland tablescape without the pops of green, and it featured these very pretty Christmas trees. These trees I picked up last year on clearance. They all came from HomeGoods and TJ Maxx. This one actually came from Walmart. It reminds me of the one from Pottery Barn, except it's a little bigger. And I picked this up on clearance from Walmart last year, and it was, I think, 75% off. This tree also came from HomeGoods, again on clearance. I think it was no more than $10. Another of the larger trees from Walmart, and again another tree from HomeGoods. Always purchase off season, guys. That is where you can get your best deal and stretch your money and make your table look very elegant, expensive looking, and you did not spend a whole lot of money. But again, we have just added a touch of black. So you guys know these Pottery Barn placemats, not Pottery Barn, Pier 1. I picked these up a couple of years ago. I absolutely love them. I use them all the time. So I added those to give me the dramatic modern flair that I wanted for the tablescape. Again, I kept my charger plate that I picked up from Amazon. I think it was a pack of 6 for like $25, which is not a bad deal at all. And the plates are thrifted. I've shown them to you before. I picked them up from Goodwill, as well as the silverware also came from Goodwill, and these napkin rings came from Goodwill. So guys, do not sleep on your local Goodwill. You can find some really nice things. You just have to be on the lookout. You might not find them in your first trip, your second or third, but you are sure to find something that fits your style in one of your trips. Now, my napkin is actually another placemat, and this is an idea that I got from Wani over at Wani's house. I picked these napkins up from Hobby Lobby over the summer. They were part of their clearance sale. That is the purpose of my channel, helping you decorate with style on a budget and trying to make your home look a lot more expensive than it really is. So if that is something you are into and you are new here, welcome. My name is Sheryl. I love all things home decor, and I hope you love home decor as much as I do and you love home decor inspiration. If so, please hit that subscribe button and become a member of the iSTYLEMYSTYLE family. I will have lots of new content coming up, so if you have enjoyed today's video and you think you would enjoy more content like this, where I show you ways how to style your home on a budget using items that you picked up from clearance or thrifting or buying from Goodwill, make sure you stick around and hit that subscribe button and become a member of the family. And I paid like 59 cents a piece for them. I picked up 8 of them, and I am using them as my napkin. Now, this is just a tablescape for show. We are not actually going to be eating on this, so I figured it was appropriate to use. And I love the detail in the napkin, as you can see, and it just makes it very dramatic. Now, this little snowflake down here, it's a place card. I actually picked that up also from the thrift store. It was a pack of 6 for $4.99, and these originally came from Pier 1, and it was the old Pier 1 before they went out of business, and I absolutely love them. Let me know what you guys think of the new Pier 1 website. How are you liking it? Do you like the items that they have for sale? Because I have not found anything that I actually like from the new website. I love the old pottery, or the old Pier 1 so much. The new one online, not so much. Give me your thoughts. What do you think of the new Pier 1 website? Do you like the decor that they are showing? And what do you think about the prices? I still think it's overpriced, but I didn't mind paying full price for some items from the old Pier 1, but not the new one. So again, let me know your thoughts. I'd love to know. So this again is new. It came from Joann's. It is a candle. It also smells really, really good. I would highly recommend these guys. Highly, highly recommend. So it just smells so good. It's like a combination of vanilla and pine, if you can imagine that. It just smells so, so good, and actually kind of makes you hungry. Over here I have another candle ornament. This one's in a different design style, but I absolutely love it as well. Again, I am using my glasses that I also picked up from Pier 1, the old Pier 1. I also have these cute little candles here that I picked up from Target. This one says Fresh Fraser, and it came from, I want to say their Wonder Shop, maybe. Anyway, it was $5. Funny thing with these candles and trees, I ordered them, they were on the way, and the day they were to be delivered, I got a message from UPS that they were broken and they were returning them to the store. I was so upset because I didn't think I would be able to get them again because they were very popular, but Target was right on time. They reordered them. They arrived today, and I decided to just go ahead and do my tablescape. And I absolutely love how the table turned out. I love the pop of green on the table. I think it is exactly what it needed. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my modern Christmas tablescape. I love how it came together, and I do love the pops of green. It just makes the table, I think it just gives it life, I guess you could say. Absolutely love it, and I hope you agree. If so, please give the video a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let me know what you think of these little trees. I think they're oh so cute. If you like them, they were $15. I would hurry and get them if that is something that you are interested in, because they will go really well with any type of decor style. They are a little more modern, but could also be more traditional and also contemporary. So a very versatile tree, and I absolutely love them. Very, very nice. So I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video, and are you ready for Christmas? Tomorrow is Christmas Eve. I cannot believe it. The time went by so fast. And we all won't be celebrating with our loved ones. At least we won't. We're still social distancing, as I'm sure many of you are as well. So I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful Christmas with your friends and your family, whether it be in person or in Zoom or Skype or however you're going to interact with your family this year. I want to thank you so much for all your support throughout this year, and I hope you continue to support me in the coming year. I plan to have a lot of new content that I think you would be interested in, and I want to thank you all so much for going along on this YouTube journey with me. I hope you all have a very merry, happy Christmas, happy Hanukkah, happy Kwanzaa. Just have a happy holidays, guys. I love you all, and I hope to see you in the next one.